Chào tất cả các bạn. Hôm nay tôi sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn cách đọc ending sound âm S. Âm S có 3 cách đọc là S, Z và IZ. Tôi sẽ nêu ra một vài ví dụ để cho các bạn tự so sánh tại sao nó lại có 3 cách đọc như thế. Đối với âm S, ví dụ spots, walks, waits, fingers, sits, drinks, sleeps, snakes, books. Một vài ví dụ tôi sẽ đưa ra một vài câu cụ thể. Okay. There are spots. There are 3 spots. I walk, go to school. She walks, go to school. I wait for him. She waits for him. I think about him. She thinks about him. I sit. She sits. I drink a cup of coffee. She drinks a cup of coffee. I sleep. She sleeps. There is a slug. There are 3 slugs. There is a book. There are 3 books. Tiếp theo đó là âm Z. Trong âm Z có một số từ ví dụ như college, George, boys, sees, brings, plays, pens, jobs, hands. Ví dụ I call him. She calls him. Is your. There is a boy. There are 3 boys. I play tennis. She plays tennis. There is a pen. There are 3 pens. There is a jobs. There are 3 jobs. Đối với âm is, ví dụ watch it, boss it, bass it, breathe it, wash it, change it, fish it, coach it, glass it, rush it. Ví dụ I watch TV. She watch TV. There is a boss. There are 3 bosses. There is a bus. There are 3 buses. There is a breeze. There are 3 breezes. I wash my face. She washes her face. I change everything. She changed everything. There is a fish. There are 3 fishes. There is a couch. There are 3 couches. There are 3 glasses. There is a brush. There are 3 brushes. Okay. Thank you for watching.